Hello, my lovely friends! Today we're making soft, buttery garlic bread from scratch. Stay with me and let's make magic together. We need soft bread, fresh garlic, butter, parsley, and a little salt for perfect flavor. First, finely chop the fresh garlic so the flavor spreads beautifully inside the butter. Mix the garlic, parsley, and salt into soft butter, creating a rich, creamy garlic spread. Slice the bread into thick pieces, but keep the bottom attached so it stays whole. Spread the garlic butter inside every slice, so each bite becomes soft, rich, and full of flavor. Wrap it gently in foil to keep the bread soft while baking. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes until hot, soft, and fragrant. Look how soft and buttery it is. Warm garlic aroma in every slice. Follow me, and let's keep cooking beautiful moments together.